Hi guys, in our previous video we have learned about the data classes in Kotlin, why we use them, how we can declare them, and what are the functions they have. Today we are going to learn about another new type of classes in Kotlin, that is enum class and the shield classes which we have in Kotlin. So let's get started. So why we use enum classes? So guys, sometimes when you need to define a variable which we know which can have some specific values. For example, we have a variable gender, we know it can have a value of male, female, or other. Same way we have the days, we know it can have like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all the 7 days it can have the value from that. Also, for example, we have month and we know this can have a particular value from January to December. So for those cases we basically use enum class if we want. And for to define this enum class, we just simply need to name it like enum class, and we can name it like this, months. I have cleared it, and here you can simply just define it like this. So basically these all the values will behave the instances of this class. These are the objects in month in this class. The values behave as a objects in this. And also this is enum class is have a restrict values, like these only this type of values can be given to the enum class. And how you can use it, like for example, well, month, you want to define a month, so you can simply use months dot, you can define December. And if you want to print the value, you can simply use it like this, print month. When we want to print it, if we see, you can see I think I have tried it. So yeah, you will see December is printed. Also guys, we can define a constructor in enum class, and for this, like, well, we can say number, and number which will be int. And so that for we have to define it for all, because these are all instances and objects in this. So we have to define 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. We have to define it for all 9, and same way you can define for all of them. So yeah, also if you want, now like we have defined December, we have the numbers. If you want, we can do print month dot, we can say number. So it will print the value of the like which month it is. So it will also give us the value, yeah, 12, you can see. Also guys, if you want, we can do a for loop for this. For I in we can simply say we can do a for loop as well, months dot values, we can try print, and that is I. Let's see what it will give us. You will see, like, all the, yeah, January to December it has printed for us. Also guys, you can define a function inside it, but to define a function for the last value, we need to add the semicolon. Function print current object, we can say it like this, object, we can do like this, print I am current month, what is happening, and with the help of dollar we can say this. So what this will do, it will point to the current object which we have uh, declared. So here, let me remove this, and we can simply month dot, we can print current object. If we see, let's just remove these as well. So when we are going to run it, you will see it will, we have called the December. So I am the current month December, it will call it like this. So guys, this is all about enum class. This is how you can declare an enum class. You can define the values and you can call them. So now we are going to look for the sealed classes. So in enum class, you see like we have strict values, like these are the value strict. We can define only these values. We cannot create we cannot inherit, or we cannot create multiple type of objects in enum classes. We can define a single type of objects. So to remove this, to solve this issue, we have the sealed classes. So, and we cannot, in enum class as well, we cannot change the state of the instances. For example, these are the instances. We cannot change the state of these instances. Like we cannot have different types. Like for example, Jan can have multiple days and something like that. We cannot define all those things in enum class. To solve this, we have the sealed classes. So let's see how sealed classes help us. So for example, if we take it as a car, we cannot define multiple objects, instances of like BMW, Toyota, or any other, and we cannot define multiple properties for them. So for this, we have the sealed classes. Let's see how that helps. So let's remove this as well. And to define a sealed class, we just need to declare it like this: sealed class. And let me name it as car. I'm going to name it as car. And we can simply, okay, we maybe we have the declaration, we have defined car somewhere else. Car main, let's name it like this, car main. I'm just giving we want to give it a car, but we have somewhere defined the car in this examples, so that's why it is not picking up that name. So I have defined a sealed class car main. And now let me define a class inside it. We can define another classes BMW. And but in BMW, what we can have is, we can have multiple model, that is string. And also we can have I want to have the color, or yeah, we can have the color, that is also, let's take it as a string, right? And it is going to inherit from car main, right? So let's do it like this. Also, like now I'll have another type, that is Toyota. And Toyota also is going to have a, well, we can say model, that is a string. And it can have the color as well, or if you want anything, it can have different thing. We can have seating capacity, we can have anything, and which is, this is also going to inherit from the car main. So this is how it is different from enum classes, because in this we can have a different classes as well, which are going to inherit from main class, and this can have different properties. So that's why we have like this sealed classes. And to see, like we can define their objects. We can have a car object, which is going to be BMW. We can directly define it like this, car main.bmw. And we can pass on the values. Model will be like, we can pass x4, and color will be we can say red, right? And if we want, we can simply print air car, and you will see, let's run it, but it will show us. So this is how car main BMW, we can say car dot color, or model we can have car dot color. So we can, it can give us the color red. So this is why we have like seal classes, because it can define the multiple properties of that. And also guys, where we can use it, simply like how we can get all the values, which we can do is, let's make this a car as like this. Let have it car main. Yes. And let's remove this. We have, okay, so we have defined. So when let me make a loop here. So if we want to like check it, and if we want to see how it can work, then what we can do is we have defined it is like this. So if we want to give it a value, like which value we are having, like we want to get the all values from the car main, what we can do is let's have a variable model, which model you can say, and which will be equals to when we have the car, right? And let's have it like this. So what is showing us when we it is asking us to yeah, to implement for both of them more actions, add remaining branches. So yeah, we have like now we have when we have a car is car.bmw is car.toyota, we can simply print here, and we can get the values, all the values. So it's print name, print ln I am bmw, and same way we can print from here I am Toyota, right? And let's simply try to check it. Which model? Let's run it. You will see it will give us, because we have like I am BMW, it has printed. Same way if we update it with Toyota, and let's try to run it, you will see you can pass I am Toyota, because now the object is of Toyota. So this is how you can traverse, you can uh, give the properties to the inner classes of like you can uh, create different classes, different type of classes inside a sealed class. You can give different properties to it, and we can use them wherever we want, and you can traverse all the values from for the sealed classes. And so the main difference between enum class and sealed classes is, guys, basically enum class has strict values, sorry. Enum class basically have strict values, and these all have the single object inside the enum class. And but in sealed classes we can define a strict type, like this is BMW, this is Toyota, this is type specific, and you can define multiple objects inside the sealed classes. And this depends upon your use case. For example, when we want to uh, declare a result class for our server, we can simply define a class which is going to handle the class which is success, and this is going to have our data from the server, which can we say like the data that will be a JSON object or string. And you can define like success kind of result, and also you can define a error message, error when we are going to have the error from the server. We can define it like this type of, and it will be like result. So when you are going to have like when we have a going to have response from server, then we can define a response type as result sealed class, and based upon that we can have different type like success type, result, or error, and we can simply use it like this when result that is a success or an error, and we can handle it. So this is how, guys, we can use enum classes and sealed classes in Kotlin. Do let me know how you like this video, or if you want me to elaborate it in a more clearer way. Thank you, guys. We will see you in next video. Till then, keep supporting. Cheers, guys. Bye. Do like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.